So I asked the AutoCoder to give me the latest prices on washing machines in Auckland, New Zealand. This is its second, or I think it's its second attempt. First one was similar, but didn't seem to work that well. You see, that's quite a nice effect that the washing machine's on, isn't it? It's on the creative mode. You can see the soap bubbles. It tells you the price there. It's kind of $899. So that's all of them. So for under $800, the warehouse, that makes sense. I haven't checked the prices, but it's probably right. $699. Trade Depot, again, probably right. Under $1,000. Harvey Norman. It's quite good. It drew all that as well. It's amazing. And the front loaders, no leaming. I was quite impressed by that. No sound effects, but you can see the program over here. It's highly original. I'll keep that program for later if it's a demo.